Hello world. So this is my first video in my journey to building Afiso, a network, a social network or something like this, which is focused on monetization for creators. And what is a creator? It's a very hard thing to define. It's not hard thing to understand, but it's hard to define. So in my journey to building it, I will document around how it started and how it will go. And as a rule of thumb, this video as the first one is going to suck, and I know. And the best thing that I learned this year is you have to launch it, because this is the hardest part. And when you do something at first, it's going to suck no matter what. And I already accept that this is going to suck. But as you publish more and more and more and iterate over what you do, you're gonna improve your quality. So this is the starting point, and it is going to suck. But let's tell you what is this Afiso about. It's basically I'm building a social network, a decentralized social network for creators. And why decentralized? Because for a creator, if we want to go in the depths of the business, which is monetization, a deplatforming threat is a big threat. And if you put your business on a platform and then that platform deplatform you, then you go out of business, and it's really bad, it's hard, and you don't want that to happen. So that's why it makes sense for Afiso to be decentralized, because it's targeting creators to put their business on. So by being decentralized, it means even I'm the creator of the system cannot deplatform you. Your account is yours, and you're going to hold it, and even if I ban you from the front end, you can access still all of your followers, all of your data, all of your posts, all of your creations, whatever it's not possible for me to censor you. So that's a big point of it. But how we are going to do it, it's like there are lots of things that can be built for creators. There are a lot, and I already have a list of ideas, but as I'm going to build them, I will record videos to show it to you. But let's discuss the current state of Afiso. Current state, I have built a landing page, and it has a small call to action which you can buy a token called the Stello. And by putting this here, I did a couple of things. First of all, I have gained around 48 people that invest something on my project, and that makes the initial community I need for creating a project. So if I didn't have this landing page, there was no people here. But when I launch it, I know I will start with at least 48 people. And so some of these users have invested heavily in the platform, so I get some validity from this landing page. And this is really nothing much. The Stello is going to be a social network. I just explained a few ideas that I have for this. But yeah, this is the current state of it. I have a couple of the components and smart contracts, and I'm going to document my building process. So my next step for it is currently when you click on this connect button, an alert will says please install universal profile extension, because in this browser I don't have universal profile extension, and it's not very good because my target customer for Afiso is creators that probably haven't heard of universal profile extension, and they don't have no clue what the fuck is this. So my next step for this is making, instead of this useless alert here, if user doesn't have a universal profile extension, when they click on the connect, a nice modal gets popped and explain to user what is universal profile extension, why they need it, and where they can get it and create their universal profile. So then they come back and connect to the system. This is the next step. And as I iterate over this, I will document the journey for you and will give you some tips about how and what I use to build the stuff and my decision-making process. So the whole idea of this video and is to document the process. So yeah, I think that this documentation will be fun to watch for some people, and for some people maybe not. That's it for this video. I know it's going to suck, but it is what it is. Goodbye.